Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Sindil Murugan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about binary search method. Searching means we have to find some element which is already available in the array. The array concept we are taking in that array, if the element is there or not, we have to find that element using binary search method. Okay. There is a linear search and binary search content we will discuss, but in this video lecture we are going to discuss about binary search. This is week 2, lecture 3, classroom discussion topic 6. Binary search and its complexity we are going to discuss in this video lecture. Before starting the video lecture, we must be discuss about lecture outcome. So hence, after completion of this lecture, students will be able to develop a C program to search the element in records. Okay. In a real-time project, the student may use the search method, find the element which is available or not. What is binary search? Binary search is the efficient algorithm to search the element in given list. So how the binary search is working? So we must be take example as a telephone directory. So if telephone directory means a name with the phone number, it is there in the book. So what initially we have to do, we have to open the book with some pages, maybe in the middle page. We will open into 2 parts. So we will check that name. If the name is less than that means, then we will check only left side, left part of the written book. If in case it is not there, it will be in the next side means right side book we have to open it. Okay, so the particular name is, we have to search some particular name. The name is there in the first part or second part we have to find. Okay, so middle page we will take, from that we have to compare. If it is in that left side means again we have to open some pages in the middle. We have to check this is left side or right side. Like that we can perform the telephone directory how we are finding. No, same method we have to use for binary search. So for better understanding, we will take another example. Another example is if in case we will take the dictionary for finding meaning of that word, given word. What we will do first, if in case the word is starting with the M, means you just to open the dictionary in the middle part, you check with the first word. What is the word they are given? So combined with that, it is, if in case some word you are taken means it is left side or right side, you have to decide. The left part, the name may be there means again we will take only the left side of the part. Again you have to split it into 2. Then there you have to check with the first word in the dictionary, it is matching or not. So like that you have to find up to finding the correct word in the dictionary. Okay. So same method we are going to use in this method, binary search method. So take this example here. Array A is declared with 11 values. Totally A of 11 is there. 11 values we are able to store there, including 0. And the value to be searched 9. So we want to search the 9 is there or not. How it will be work? We have to explain. First, initially, beginning is 0 and ending is 10. Means we know that the first value is beginning value, last value is 10. So we have to find that middle value. What is the middle value? Beginning plus last value, 0 plus 10, 5, 10, 10 by 2, 5. So middle value is 5. So then we have to check A of 5 equal to value. What is the value? Value is 9. What is A of 5 value? A of 5 value is A of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A of 5 value is 5. Okay, so here we are identified. So now it is not equal. Okay, so 5 is not equal to 9. So what happened? Again, after that, A5 is less than that value. So A5 is 5. It is less than this value now. So From this value, right side we have to check. Okay. So how it will be splitted? Array 0 to end is there. That is beginning and end is there. Okay. So this array. So now what they did? We are finding that minimum portion. So middle portion. How we are finding beginning plus end divided by 2. So it is finding to center position, no? That is mid. Okay. So what we have to do, if it is the less than this value, 5 means this is sorted array we are using, no? Less than 5 we don't want to check, because 9 we want to find the number 9. We don't want to check less than 5. So above 5 we have to check. So how we can start again? Already we are checked up to mid. So mid plus 1 to end. Okay, so second portion only we have to take. In this portion, mid plus 1 is the first value, end is the last value. So from these two we have to check middle value. Again we have to find that middle value. Okay, so that's why beginning is mid plus 1, end is same. So middle plus 1 means next value, already a of 5 we checked, this is a of 6. A of 6 equal to 6. Okay. So 6 plus 10. 6 is the beginning value for this portion and 10 is the last value of this portion. 16 by 2, 8. So A of 8 is the middle value of this particular calculation. In this particular calculation, middle value is 8. So what happened? So it will pointing to the 8. 8 is less than that number, 9. Okay. So what we have to do? Right side of this 8 we have to check. Okay. So initially 0 to 11 is there. We identified 5 is the middle value. Then up to 5 it is the minimum value. Then right side we have to check. So 6 to 11 we are checked. In this we have to find again the middle value. 6 to 11. What is the middle value? So 17 by 2. Oh, 8. So 8 is the middle value. Okay, already 10 is their last value. 6 plus 10, 16 by 2, 8. 8 is the middle value. So again, 8 is equal to 9? No. So it is less than this number. So what we have to do? Again, 8 is the first number, 10 is the last number. We have to find the middle. So again, these two, 18 by 2. 18 by 2 equal to 9. So A of 9 equal to 9. So 9 equal to 9, no? So hence the value is found. So here, after finding this value, that values are equal to that. So simply we can say that the values are found in the array in the position of value 9 or array 9. Okay. So how we can work it out? So that's why the procedure I already told. We will take beginning value is the lower bound, end value is the upper bound. We have to find the middle value. That middle value is equal to value or not, we have to check. If not, again we have to split it that array. So how we can do that? If it is not equal to A of mid, what we have to do? Beginning and end. Then again mid will be changed. Okay. So how they will check? Value is less than that middle value means again they will change that left segment of that number. So that means mid minus 1. So 0 to mid minus 1 is there, no? That position it will take. Or if it is greater than that value means the right side it will take. That is mid plus 1. That is beginning value will change mid plus 1. So how we will take? This is the middle value. This side is m minus 1 left side. Right side means m plus 1. Okay, so left side less value means it will check only 0 to m minus 1, and if the right side means m plus 1 to end. Okay, so this position we have to remember, then accordingly we have to find it. So this is the algorithm, how it is works. Beginning value, end value and position we are given. While loop executed until beginning is less than or equal to end. The value mid is calculated. We have to calculate the mid value. Check if the mid value is equal or less than that or greater than that. If it is less than that or greater than that means we have to perform the operation again. Same step. Split in the middle value. That middle value will be allocated. from that point to before that point or after that point, it is value is there or not, we have to check. So finally, position equal to -1 means the value is not present. If position we are identified means the values are found. Complexity of binary search algorithm. What is complexity? Time complexity. How much time it is taking for doing this operation. So it will not search the entire array, no. Whenever we are searching it, it is a half of the array only it will check. The entire array is there means it will take the middle value and it will avoid the remaining part. If the values may be in the right side means left side part will be avoided. Like that it will perform now. So the f of n is the function, then it is used for half time. So half time means we are using log 2 n. Okay. Now complexity of binary algorithm. So this is the algorithm. Initially what we are doing here, beginning is the lower bound value and end is the upper bound value will take. Position is -1. Initially we are fixing. We have to find the middle value. If the middle values are equal, what we have to do? The position, we have to find the position. That position it is there, we can print it. Otherwise, we have to check a mid is greater than value. If greater than value means end value will be changed that mid -1 before that value. If else means change that beginning value equal to mid +1. Okay, so that process will be same up to complete the entire search of the entire array. So finally, if position is -1 means value is not present. If otherwise, it will print which position it is. Okay. So simple program initially. Here two functions we are declared smallest, finding the smallest element and using the selection sort algorithm. Initially, number of elements in the array we have to collect it. After finding it, we will give the input for the array. Already we know that using for loop, we will give all the values for the array. And we have to perform the sort algorithm. Why? So the binary search is always comfortable for sorted array. Okay. So we have to sort the element. So selection sort they are choosing. After performing the selection sort means that finally it will produce the ascending order values. So after taking the ascending order of the variables, so which element we want to search, we have to find. That element we will take it as the num. So initially, initial value will take 0 and the end value is n-1. So we have to find that middle value. The middle value equal to num search element is there means it is present. Otherwise, again it will take. Okay. So how it will take if else if this value is greater means mid -1 will be assigned to end. Else means mid +1 assigned for beginning. Again we have to find the middle. It will be repeated up to finding the value in the array. Beginning is greater than n and found equal to 0 means that value is not exist. So how the selections are working? That selections are swapping concept we are used. It will compare one by one value. So if it is greater, it will change the position. Finally, the entire array will be sorted. So find small elements. Y means this small element used to find here the position of the particular array. Okay. So this is a simple program for binary search algorithm. So if you execute this program, you can give this input for the array. Then you can find that key value for searching it. If it is found, it will print found. Otherwise, it is not found. It will print it. Okay. So now you can answer for this question. How to find the mid value of an array? Okay. So this is a simple question. You have to answer it. Otherwise, you can watch the same video from the beginning again. Okay, 10 seconds time is over now. I hope you written the answer. If you are not written properly or correct answer, you can watch the video again. Okay, so start or beginning values or starting value plus ending value divided by 2. Okay, this is finding the middle value formula we are using in the program. So initially what we have discussed, what is binary search using dictionary and telephone directory. I explained how it is do. Binary search means we have to split the entire things into two parts. The part, which part have that value we have to find. It is less value means left side value. It's the greater value means right side value. From right side part we will take, again we have to find the minimum value, like that it will be continued. And time complexity, it will take log 2n, that values we already discussed, two times only it will increase the values. And examples, programs and sample programs also we explained in this video lecture. Okay. So now we are in lecture level problems. You have to create a C program to find the element in database using binary search method and compare the time complexity of this program with the different size of records. So first you can check 50 records are there. Find searching how much time it is taken. If 500 records are there, how much time it is taken. And how it is efficient, that you have to explain here. Okay. So lecture outcome revisited. Having completed the discussion on binary search and its complexity, now students should be able to develop a C program to search the element in records. Okay. So further doubt, we can watch refer Rima the Raja textbook, chapter 14, 14.3, binary search concept. If any further doubt, you come with the doubt, we will discuss in the classroom discussion. Thank you very much for listening this video with full concentration. Thank you.